Let's learn how do we simplify 162 divided by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we'll write down the numbers in this way. See that 1 is less than 2, so let's consider the two digits, that is the number 16. We know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. Now look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 162 divided by 2 is equal to 81. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also, do subscribe our channel.